luck has nothing to do with it when you're celebrating St. Patrick's Day. Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to the Grantham Pub Underground. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I have a couple more great drink ideas for you to help you celebrate St. Patrick's Day around your place. And I have at least two, maybe three. We'll see how it goes with time. But these are really easy and you don't really need much of anything special to make these. Maybe one thing that you might not have. But I want to get right into it because we have a lot to do. And the cool thing about these drinks is you make them right in the glass. And the first one today is called a River Boyne Fizz. It's River Boyne, B-O-Y-N-E, Boyne. I apologize if I'm sure it's someplace in Ireland that I don't know about, but we're gonna make it anyway. And of course, as all good Irish drinks do, it starts with some Irish whiskey. One Irish whiskey to be exact. We'll keep it here because we're going to use some more of it. And then you need some lemon. One lemon, freshly squeezed, of course. How would you have a St. Patrick's Day celebration and use pre-squeezed or bottled lemon? No self-respecting Irishman would do that. And then here's the only probably specialty thing you might need, and that's some Irish bitters. And Irish bitters. It's not Irish bitters. It might as well be Irish bitters. No, it's orange bitters. And again, it's just a aromatic bitters, but it does have a little bit of a citrusy note to it. And then the only other thing is some honey syrup. Just like any of the syrups that we make around here, it's going to be equal parts honey and water. Just bring it up till the honey kind of melts into the water, cool it down, you have some honey syrup. This is actually dark because my honey was dark. It was probably like some kind of crazy buckwheat or wildflower honey, but any honey you have is going to be good. Orange blossom honey with this would be really good. And then I'm just going to give this a little mix, and then we're going to top it. And this is kind of interesting because this one gets topped not with club soda like we normally do, but this one gets topped with some tonic water. I find that to be very interesting. I'm going to put a straw, of course, a lemon, of course, and for some green for the Irish, even though there's no mint in the drink per se, a little sprig o' the mint, as it were, to celebrate St. Patrick's Day with our first drink of the day, the River Boyne Fizz. Next up, we're going to keep it rolling right along with another tall glass drink. This is simple, and this is an Irish sour. Again, it starts with whiskey, Irish whiskey. Now, if you don't have Irish whiskey and you want to make these drinks, of course, use whatever blended whiskey you have. I don't know that I'd go bourbon on this one, even though I am a bourbon guy, you know me. I think just the blended whiskey would be good. And then we need some dry vermouth. Again, dry vermouth is something, you can see it's cold. I just took it out of the fridge. You want to store your vermouth in the fridge because it's a fortified product. That was supposed to be 3/4. I didn't put 3/4. So store it in the fridge, it'll last longer. I think they say you can get about, let me around, I want to say 2 weeks out of, or 2 weeks, 2 months out of vermouth. I mean, until it doesn't seem like it's good anymore, just keep an eye on it, or a nose on it, whatever. And then some lemon. And then here's the interesting thing, some grapefruit juice. This is actually a grapefruit and orange, because we make up fruit during the week, and that's the juice I strained out of the container with, oh, forgot our orange bitters again. This is the juice that, you know, after we cut up the segments, we squeeze the stuff. But I digress. Whatever grapefruit juice you have is going to be fine. And this one does call for some club soda. Another straw. What do we need for this one? A lemon twist. It's not a very big lemon twist, but a lemon twist nonetheless. And there's number 2 today to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. The Irish Sour. We do have time for one more. I'm going to make it a quick one. I'm going to make it in the big one. Get some ice. And this one is called a Cameron Kick. I don't know who Cameron is or who he's kicking, but he's making drinks while he's doing it. So real quick, a 4 ingredients, equal parts Irish whiskey. And here's the weird, do I have any up? Oh, I don't have any up here. Excuse me 1 second, pardon my back. Oh, I'll get my little one here. Some scotch, some blended scotch. Again, some lemon. Oh, a lot of seeds in there. And then finally, the only other specialty thing that you might not have, some orgeat. This is orgeat. It's like an almond cordial syrup. You can buy this, you know, at a good grocery store. They'll have it. Or look around for it. You can actually make it, but it's kind of complicated, I think. I think I looked it up once how to make it. And then shake it up. Let's get a cocktail glassaroni. A strainer. Strain it out. I hope the seeds stay in here. Another lemon. Let's do a long one this time. Always like to go around here. Float that in there. And then our final drink today, the Cameron Kick. And now it's time for the best part, where we say, ready, drink. Which one am I going to try first? I'm going to try this one. This Boyne Fizz, Boyne. Please, I apologize if I didn't pronounce that correctly. This should be interesting. Wow, that's good. Wow, that's nice. I really like that. It's just kind of light and citrusy. You get a little bit of the bitters, like the bitters and the tonic kind of make it a little what's the word I'm looking for? Bitter? Bitters should make it bitter. But it's, and then you get the citrus and the honey syrup. I enjoy that. I hope these others are as good. How about let's give the old Irish sour a try. Cheers. I forgot to say. I drank a drink and I didn't tell you. Slainte. That's Irish for cheers. Not sure how I feel about that one. I think it's the vermouth. I'm not a big vermouth guy. Yeah, that's what I'm tasting in there. I think that would be good without the vermouth. Like if you just did the whiskey, the juices, I think it would be much better. And then finally, the Cameron Kick. Cheers to Cameron for inventing this drink, kicking around whoever he was kicking. Wow. I kind of like it. You just get the subtle almond on the back, like the bitterness of the almond, not so much almond flavor. Wow. One really good one, one pretty good one, and one needs improvement. That would be my rating of these drinks. So there you have it. More ways to help you celebrate St. Patrick's Day. But please, if you're going to celebrate St. Patrick's Day, do it safely. We always want you to drink like a pirate, but we want you to do it responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Don't do all the things you shouldn't do. And I want you to make a St. Patrick's Day resolution. If you're not subscribed to the Grantham Pub Underground, do it. You got nothing to lose except a good time. We got drinks, taste tests, cocktail clash. What else do we do here? Shots. We do a lot of shots. Make sure, a lot of people don't subscribe to their shots, so they turn them off. A lot of St. Patrick's Day shots coming out already. So be sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications, and like the video, share it with somebody who you think might benefit from some fine St. Patrick's cocktails. And if you would like, you can help us out by doing the sharing and the liking and the all that good stuff. Also, you can get yourself some Grantham Pub merchandise. We have shirts, hats, drinkware, sweats, all kind of different things. You can leave us a tip. There's a way to do that for you as well. But you know, just hanging out with us and having a good time here is all that we really require from you. And we're going to have a good time today with some cocktails. So until I see you next time, remember, I'll save a seat at the bar for you. Cheers.